Good morning, children. Today in this video we are going to learn about Chinu's grandpa and my friend Shelly. Block 5. Okay, shall we start our video? First, I have a question for you children. See children, how many of you love your grandpa? Yes, we all love our grandparents, right? So, in this video also, we are going to read a poem about Chinu's grandpa. He is an old man who loves to eat sweets so much. Now, open your content book and open this block, fifth block, Chinu's grandpa lesson. Now, I am going to read this poem for you all. You also should repeat after me, okay? Chinu's grandpa really likes sweets. Chinu's grandpa really likes sweets more than carrots, spinach and beets. Say along. Chinu's grandpa really likes sweets more than carrots, spinach and beets. He eats sweets for breakfast and lunch. Munch, munch, munch. Munch, munch, munch. He eats sweets for dinner too. He eats sweets for dinner too. Not one by one, but two by two. Not one by one, but two by two. Chinu's grandpa is very tall. Chinu's grandpa is very tall, but he has no teeth at all. But he has no teeth at all. So children, in this poem we learnt about Chinu's grandpa, an old man who always eats only sweets, not any other items like carrot, spinach, beetroot, potato, nothing, no vegetable he eats. For breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, all the time he is eating only sweets. So, what he did? Because he likes sweets so much, he started eating daily, morning, night, afternoon, all the time, eating sweets only. So what happened? He is very tall, but he is not having any teeth at all. So children, because he ate more sweets and not eating any good vegetables, food items, fruits, so if we eat more sweet and sugary foods, do we have teeth in our mouth? No. If we eat more sweets, we will not have any teeth in our mouth. So, don't eat sweets too much, okay? So, children, in this poem, we learned about Chinu's grandpa. He loves eating sweets more than other things. He eats sweets for breakfast, lunch, dinner, all the time. He eats only sweets. He eats so many sweets that he has no teeth left at all. So, like that, he ate so many sweets and he has no teeth in his mouth. Okay, this is about the poem Chinu's grandpa. Now, open your content book and underline all the important rhyming words from this poem, children. Now, underline all the rhyming words in this poem. Okay, sweets, beets, lunch, munch, two, tall, all. Okay children, all these are rhyming words from this lesson. Okay. Now we will do our worksheet 1 from this poem. Okay. Take out your workbook and write down your date first. Coming to first bit, circle the rhyming words in the poem. Children, just now we studied all the rhyming words from this poem, right? Now I will be reading the rhyming words. You please circle them, okay? Sweets, beets, lunch, munch, two, tall, all. So circle all these rhyming words from this poem in the first bit, okay? Now go to second bit. Fill in the blanks with the rhyming words from the box. Treat, cream, cake, toffee, cookie. So now we need to rhyme these words, okay? He think of sweets in his dream. Chocolate cake with lots of cream. Dream, cream. Both are in rhyming. Then lots of sweets he want to eat. Every day he want a treat. Eat, treat. Both are in rhyming. So in the first blank you write cream. Second blank you write treat. Okay. So go to third bit. Write a word that rhyme with cake. So for example I am giving here, we make cake for Christmas. We can write like that, no? So according to your will and wish, you can write any sentence with rhyming word for cake. Okay? Children, it is very easy. I think you enjoyed this poem, right? We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.